What's up guys, it's me Umair. So let me do the multi-touch. Yes, the multi-touch. Okay, I have downloaded a multi-touch app. Okay, let's do the multi-touch. Let's see how many touches can touch. One. You see one, two, two, five, seven. Okay, like this. 10. Yeah, I mean 10 multitask. So this is a multitask screen. I mean, you see, maximum event 10. I mean, I am surprised to be honest with you. I'm really very much happy with the multitouch. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.